everyone, today we are going to make homemade liquid soap. The kit for making the liquid soap costed 250 rupees. Let's get started by adding 6 bottles of water. Next, go ahead and add the white powder. And mix it properly. While mixing, always use a wooden spoon. Add the next sachet of the white powder too. And continue to mix it well. Add the orange powder next. This adds the color to the liquid soap. Mix it till the powder dissolves properly. Keep mixing while adding the dark liquid next. If you think the consistency is too thick, add more water. Lastly, add the clear liquid. This is for the lemon smell. Now you can transfer the liquid soap into plastic bottles. And now our liquid soap is ready. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button and like our videos.